The upcoming foldable iPhone is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious products ever planned by Apple, and it is expected to arrive alongside the iPhone 18 lineup. However, the launch timing may not be as straightforward as a normal release cycle. While the Pro and Pro Max models are still expected to arrive in September, the foldable version could be pushed to December because of ongoing mass production challenges. This delay would not be unusual for a brand new category device, especially one with such complex engineering requirements. Pricing is also expected to place it firmly in the ultra-premium segment, with most leaks pointing to around $2,000, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Interestingly, predictions also suggest Apple could capture around 22% of the foldable market. There is also ongoing speculation that Apple might not even call it iPhone Fold, with iPhone Ultra emerging as a possible final name. In terms of design, the device is expected to resemble two ultra-thin iPhone Air units folded together. The frame is rumored to use a combination of titanium and aluminium, making it both strong and lightweight. One major design shift could be the relocation of all physical buttons, including volume controls, to the left side of the device for better usability in folded and unfolded states. Another significant change is the removal of the SIM tray entirely, meaning the device will rely fully on eSIM technology. There are also reports suggesting the possible return of Touch ID, which would mark its first appearance on a flagship iPhone in years. When unfolded, the device could become the thinnest iPhone ever made, even thinner than the 5.6mm iPhone Air. Leaked dummy units also show a wide, book-style folding design, available in limited premium colors such as dark blue and white. On the display side, the foldable iPhone is expected to feature a 7.8-inch inner screen and a 5.5-inch outer display. The inner panel is likely being developed by Samsung Display, a leader in flexible screen technology. Camera hardware is also expected to be upgraded, with leaks suggesting two 48-megapixel rear cameras and two 18-megapixel front cameras, maintaining a strong focus on both folded and unfolded usage. Under the hood, the device is expected to run on an A20 or A20 Pro chip with at least 12 GB of RAM and a base storage of 256 GB. Battery life will also be a key focus, with a large 5000 to 5500 mAh battery, the biggest battery ever used in an iPhone. On the software side, it will likely launch with iOS 27, specially optimized for foldable functionality, including new multitasking layouts and adaptive interface elements. Overall, Apple is betting big on durability, performance, crease-free display, and an iPad-like experience when unfolded. If Apple manages to deliver all of this at the $2,000 price point, so would you buy Apple's first foldable iPhone if it really launches at $2,000?